Hello and welcome to this presentation on a grade 12 elective called Canadian Law 40S. My intention in this presentation is simply to provide you with some background information on the course. Let's get started. First of all, you may ask, why should I take Canadian Law 40S? Well, I want to begin by saying that this is a course that's not just designed for students who are aspiring to be lawyers or police officers or work in the correction system. This is a general law course that will really serve all students on a general level. It will give you practical knowledge on our Canadian legal system, really that in the long run will allow you to play a positive, active role in society. Students also like to know how they will learn in a course and if it will be meaningful to them. All I can tell you in this department is that we will cover the outcomes in a variety of ways. There are case studies, as you can see on this slide, current issues that we discuss, simulations like mock trials, field trips, guest speakers, and debates. Overall, the outcomes of this course are really designed to help you as a learner develop critical thinking skills and to help you form your own personal opinions after having looked at both sides of a legal issue. Also, what will you learn? The first area of study is the foundation of law, and this is important because it helps us understand where we got our Canadian legal system from. The Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms is also an important area because all of the laws and legislation in Canada is based upon the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. We will also look at criminal law. This is a big area of study, civil law, and if time allows, family law. Students often also like to know how will their marks be derived, where will their marks come from. If you quickly scan this, you'll see that tests and final examination make up 60% of the marks. There's a heavy emphasis on this type of assessment. This is meant to give you somewhat of a flavor of what university, should you choose to pursue that avenue, might end up looking like. In addition, I'd like to share some key information. First of all, this course will have at least 2 major field trips in it, one to our Human Rights Museum and the second one to the Winnipeg Law Courts, where we get to see real actual trials occurring. This obviously is connected to the criminal law unit. And also, it should be noted that students in this course are required to complete a student-led inquiry, and this would be on a contemporary legal issue. They can complete this student-led inquiry either in the form of an academic paper or a presentation. And just on this last slide, I've thrown out some topics that students have found of interest over the years in terms of basing their student-led inquiry around. Obviously, there's hundreds of topics. These are but some of them. But I just wanted to show this to you so you have an understanding of some of the issues that we talk about in this course. So in conclusion, thank you very much for watching this presentation, and I hope that it gave you a good background as to what this course is all about. Thank you very much.